All right, guys, we got a 2013 Dodge Charger all-wheel drive. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 84. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you hear it after. We're gonna install some purple Hornets, as you guys can see right here, glass packs. So we're gonna let you guys hear it without the purple Hornets and with it. So take the purple Hornet off for now. That's what it sounds like without the purple Hornets. Here's sound decibels on it. Go ahead. So right at 110. One more time. So now we're going to install the purple Hornets. Let me show you what they look like on the inside, guys. They are different than your usual glass packs, as you guys can see. Got more ridges in them and more openings, less glass pack. Go ahead. So calmed it down to 104, 103. Now once we take the resonators off and everything, it'll even be quieter. Again. 102, 103. Again. All right, 2013 Dodge Charger V6. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got high flow converters on it, there and there. Flex pipe, then it wires it to a single there, then 2 1/4. And what we did is installed the purple Hornets right there, right in the center. He brought 2, but he didn't want true duals yet, so we did the single for now. See how he likes the sound. He might come back, and then what we'll do is we'll cut it here and true dual it into 2 purple Hornets on each side. And then cut it here also somewhere and put 2 pipes, 1 pipe here and 1 pipe there, like that. So it'll be double. And then we did a rear resonator delete there and right there, you guys. Kept his factory tips out the back. Kept his factory tips there. There's the purple Hornet, that's what it looks like. And then there's the resonators that were on it and the mid muffler that was on it. So we took all that off. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. See, if you would have took that out, it would have been more raspy. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. That's nice. Purple Hornet. For the win. Here's sound decibels. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here's sound decibels. Right at 84. See, if you would have took that out, it would be more raspy. I like it. That's nice, Purple Hornet. For the win. Your sound decibels? That's perfect. Nothing crazy, just clean. Oh yeah, that's deep. Again. It's with vibrance in the rear. Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 100, so it's perfect. Again? What do you think, man?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Perfect. Dodge Charger GT. Oh, look at that rear glass vents. It's all carbon fiber. Wow, that's awesome. That's something different right there. Go ahead. Charger GT V6. Straight pipes. Go ahead. Yes. Again. Your sound decibels again. 119. Wow, that's perfect. You like it? Go ahead and back in. Hold the wind block Still holding on good. I like it. It's sounding good, guys. What do you guys think of that sound? I think it sounds phenomenal. Those Purple Hornets sound really nice on that.